Understanding moneyline, spread, and total bets on Hard Rock Bet, and an overview on how you can place those bets. So on Hard Rock Bet, there are different types of bet. The first is over-under bets, also known as total bets. The other is moneyline bets, and there's also spread betting. Now there are actually many more options even better than this, but of course in this video we will explore the three. So first of all, let's look at what over-under or betting on totals is all about. So what is an under-over bet? Basically, with an over-under wager, you are taking a stance on the total number of points that will be scored in a specific game or contest, and Hard Rock Bet will set the line and bettors can choose whether they want to bet the over, which means more points will be scored than the set line, or the under, fewer points will be scored than the set line. There are also some of the possible outcomes of an over-under bet, and if you want to bet, of course, you want to log into your Hard Rock Bet account to the website or sports betting app. Then you want to find the sport and ultimately the game you want to bet on. Once you've landed on the game, you'll see the standard 6-pack of betting options, and from there you can place your bet on the over-under. Let us move on to moneyline bets. Now, a moneyline bet is a wager on a specific side to win outright, and moneyline bets are the simplest form of sports betting. When you make a moneyline bet, success lies in the ability to predict the outcome of a game or contest, and that's it. It's a straightforward declaration of who will win the contest. And if you want to basically bet on moneyline, you can see some of the instructions that are given over here as well. Of course, what you want to do is there are sports where a draw is normal and sometimes an unexpected outcome, and this way you can go ahead and then bet on moneyline bet. Last but not the least, let us explore the spread betting. Now in essence, spread betting is a wager on a game, event or contest that is handicapped, awarding points to the underdog to level the playing field. You can take an NFL football game for example. Instead of just picking the winner, also known as a moneyline bet, you're betting on how much a team will win or lose by. You can see some of the spread bet pricing, possible outcomes, alternate spreads, and if you want to place it, first and foremost, of course, you'll need to create an account, and after that you can make a deposit to your bet account. Then a variety of payment methods will be supported in all the states where Hard Rock Bet is licensed to operate. You can pick out the game to bet on, and Hard Rock Bet typically displays the spread first. These are some of the overview of the over-under total bet, the moneyline bet, and the spread bet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.